Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet another easy shrug for summer. It has an open texture, open weave, and it's very easy to make, and you can make it to wear as a casual shrug, or you could use it as a dressy shrug. So let's get started. To make this easy shrug, I'm going to work with worsted weight yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. And I'm going to start with a slip knot and work a foundation chain in multiples of 4 plus 1. And the foundation chain should be the length that you would like your shrug to be from the neck to the waist, or shorter than that if you would like a cropped shrug. And after you have your foundation chain the length that you would like, you're going to work into the 5th stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to make a triple crochet. To make a triple crochet, yarn around the hook 2 times, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. And that is going to count as a triple crochet and a chain 1. And this will be the first triple crochet V-stitch of the row. Now I'm going to skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to work into the 4th stitch, and I'm going to make a V-stitch with triple crochets. So yarn around the hook 2 times, insert this hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. And that's my first triple crochet, chain 1, and then make 1 more triple crochet in the same stitch. And that's my second triple crochet V-stitch. And I'm going to work all the way across the row in the same fashion. So yarn around the hook 2 times, skip 1, 2, 3, work into the 4th stitch, work 1 triple crochet, chain 1, and another triple crochet. Like that. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to work across the row, working a triple crochet V-stitch in every 4th stitch. Okay, V-stitches all the way across the row, and a V-stitch in the very last stitch. Now turn the work, and there's my first V-stitch. I'm going to slip stitch into the chain 1 space of the V-stitch, and then I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that counts as a triple crochet and a chain 1. Yarn around the hook 2 times in the same space of the V-stitch, work a triple crochet. And that will be the first V-stitch, and it's a V-stitch in the chain 1 space of the V-stitch of the previous row. So now I'm going to go ahead and work across the row, making a V-stitch in every chain 1 space. And this is a repeat row, so you're just going to keep repeating this row over and over until the work is as long as you would like it. And another triple crochet in that same chain 1 space. So go to the next chain 1 space and work a triple crochet V-stitch. Like that. So I'm going to go ahead and work across the row, and then I'll show you how to end the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. There's my last V-stitch. So I'm going to work a V-stitch in that, chain 1 space. Chain 1. Okay, so every row will begin with a V-stitch and end with a V-stitch. Now it's the same repeat row every time. Turn the work, slip stitch into the chain 1 space, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That counts as a triple crochet and a chain 1. Work another triple crochet in that same stitch. So you work V-stitches in the chain 1 space of the V-stitches of the previous row, and you'll keep repeating that row over and over until the rectangle is the length that you would like. And I have one here that's finished, so I've just worked row after row of V-stitches in the V-stitch, and this is going to be worked sideways. So you have your long rectangle, and then you're going to fold it in half, and on both ends you're going to sew just a short distance. 3 or 4 inches is fine. So 3 or 4 inches here, come all the way over, 3 or 4 inches here, so that will be a sleeve, and there'll be a sleeve on the other side. And then when this opens up, this is the top, the neck part, and then this will be the back of the shrug. And that's all you need to know to be able to crochet this very easy summer shrug. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.